Hi, friends. Welcome to Talk Through Tales. Here, you'll enjoy stories in three levels. Level 1 is very easy, with simple words and short sentences. Level 2 is a little higher. You'll learn more words and practice longer sentences. Level 3 is advanced, with rich vocabulary and expressions to make your English strong. Step by step, these stories will improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, enjoy the stories and grow your English with us every day. Level 1, Story 3, The Lion and the Mouse. Level 1. One day, a lion was sleeping in the forest. A little mouse ran over his body. The lion woke up. He caught the mouse in his big paw. The lion was angry. He opened his mouth to eat the mouse. The mouse was afraid. He said, "Please do not eat me. I am very small. One day I will help you." The lion laughed. He thought, "How can this tiny mouse help me?" But the lion was kind. He let the mouse go. Many days later, the lion was walking in the forest. He fell into a hunter's net. The lion tried to break the net, but he could not. The lion roared loudly. He was in great pain. The little mouse heard the roar. He ran to the lion. He saw the net. He began to cut the net with his sharp teeth. The mouse worked hard. Soon the lion was free. The lion said, "Thank you, little mouse. Now I know even small friends can be great helpers." The mouse smiled. They became good friends. Moral: even small friends can be big helpers. On. Paw, the foot of an animal like a lion, dog, or cat. Example 1. The cat cleaned her paw. Example 2. The lion held the mouse in his paw. 2. Afraid, feeling fear. Example 1. I am afraid of the dark. Example 2. The mouse was afraid of the lion. 3. Tiny, very small. Example 1. I saw a tiny insect on the table. Example 2. The mouse was tiny compared to the lion. 4. Hunter, a person who kills or catches animals. Example 1. The hunter carried a gun. Example 2. The hunter set a net in the forest. 5. Net, a thing made with ropes or threads to catch animals or fish. Example 1. Fishermen use a net to catch fish. Example 2. The lion was trapped in the hunter's net. 6. Roar, the loud sound of a lion or tiger. Example 1. The lion gave a loud roar. Example 2. I heard the roar of a tiger in the zoo. 7. Sharp, having a fine edge or point. Example 1. Be careful, the knife is very sharp. Example 2. The mouse cut the net with his sharp teeth. 8. Helper, a person or thing that gives help. Example 1. My brother is a good helper at home. Example 2. The little mouse became a great helper to the lion. Level 2. Story 3. The Lion and the Mouse. Level 2. One hot afternoon, a mighty lion was resting under a shady tree. Suddenly, a tiny mouse ran across his body. The lion woke up in anger and caught the mouse with his strong paw. He opened his huge mouth to eat the little creature. The mouse trembled with fear and pleaded, "Please, O king of the jungle, forgive me. I am very small, but perhaps one day I may help you." The lion laughed loudly. "How can a small mouse ever help a powerful lion like me?" he thought. Yet, out of kindness, he decided to let the mouse go free. A few weeks later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He struggled hard but could not break the ropes. His roars echoed through the forest. Hearing the cries, the mouse rushed to the spot. Without wasting time, he began to gnaw the ropes with his sharp teeth. Slowly, the net broke and the lion was free. The lion looked at the mouse with gratitude. "I was wrong," he said. "Even a tiny creature can be a true friend and savior." Morale: kindness is never wasted. Even the smallest creature can be of great help. 1. Mighty, very strong and powerful. Example 1. The mighty elephant walked through the jungle. Example 2. The lion was a mighty king of the forest. 2. Shady, having shade protected from the sun. Example 1. We sat under a shady tree in the park. Example 2. The lion was resting under a shady tree. 3. Trembled, shook with fear, cold, or nervousness. Example 1. The child trembled during the storm. Example 2. The mouse trembled when the lion caught him. 4th, pleaded, asked in an emotional or begging way. Example 1. The boy pleaded with his teacher for more time. Example 2. The mouse pleaded for his life. 5. Creature, any living being, especially an animal. Example 1. A rabbit is a small creature. Example 2. The lion wanted to eat the tiny creature. 6. Gnaw. To bite or chew something hard again and again. Example 1. The dog likes to gnaw a bone. Example 2. The mouse began to gnaw the ropes. 7. Gratitude. The feeling of being thankful. Example 1. I showed gratitude to my friend for helping me. Example 2. The lion looked at the mouse with gratitude. 8. Savior. A person or thing that saves someone. Example 1. The lifeguard was the savior of the drowning boy. Example 2. The mouse became the savior of the lion. Level 3. Story 3. The Lion and the Mouse. Level 3. One afternoon, a majestic lion lay dozing beneath a sprawling banyan tree. Suddenly, a tiny mouse scurried across his mane, disturbing his peaceful rest. Enraged, the lion seized the little creature with his massive paw and prepared to crush it. Terrified, the mouse pleaded desperately, "Spare my life, O king of beasts! Though I am small, perhaps one day I might render you a service." The lion burst into laughter at the thought. "How absurd!" he roared. What possible help could a feeble mouse offer a mighty lion? Yet, moved by a rare moment of mercy, he released the trembling creature. Days later, the lion was ensnared in a hunter's net. His powerful roars shook the forest, but the ropes were too strong to break. Hearing his cries, the same mouse hurried to the scene. With determination, the tiny rodent gnawed through a thick cords until the lion was finally set free. Humbled, the lion bowed his great head and said, "I misjudged you. Even the smallest creature can prove invaluable moral. Never underestimate others. True worth often reveals itself in unexpected ways." 1. Majestic, very grand, beautiful, and impressive. Example 1. The Taj Mahal looks majestic at sunrise. Example 2. The majestic lion rested under the tree. 2. Sprawling, spreading out over a large area. Example 1. The city is sprawling across the valley. Example 2. The lion rested under a sprawling banyan tree. 3. Scurried, ran quickly with short, fast steps. Example 1. The mouse scurried into its hole. Example 2. The children scurried across the playground. 4. Enraged, very angry. Example 1. He was enraged when someone broke his phone. Example 2. The lion was enraged when the mouse disturbed him. 5. Absurd, completely silly or unreasonable. Example 1. The idea of a fish climbing a tree is absurd. Example 2. The lion laughed at the absurd thought of the mouse helping him. 6. Mercy, kindness shown to someone you could harm or punish. Example 1. The king showed mercy to the prisoner. Example 2. The lion set the mouse free out of mercy. 7. Ensnared, trapped or caught. Example 1. The bird was ensnared in the net. Example 2. The lion was ensnared by the hunter's trap. 8. Invaluable, extremely useful, priceless. Example 1. Her advice was invaluable to me. Example 2, the mouse's help was invaluable to the lion. Thank you so much for joining us on Talk Through Tales. I hope you enjoyed it and also learned some new words. Keep watching Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 stories to improve step by step. Practice daily, and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories.